to Deo Gracias.
The timeless Dina Bonavie and her daughter Danica.
Hi.
Nice to see you. Again.
Yes, again.
My gosh,
Hi.
walang
Welcome.
kupas. Walang kupas ang mommy.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Diba?
Naman.
Gorgeous
Baguettes.
pa rin. Baguettes.
You know, this came as a surprise. We weren't planning to do a Spanish restaurant, but during the pandemic, a guy came to us and said, I don't have a job. I can't go back to Spain. There's no flights. Can I work with you? So we
Galing.
took this old house,
Oo.
we renovated it, and here.
Nice.
So
Spanish
wait, how
restaurant.
many restaurants do you have now?
We have Victorinos, that's the Filipino restaurant. We have this. And then we have another one that we are opening very soon, La Virginia.
Ay?
It's an Italian
In
restaurant.
fairness.
So this
Okay.
one is named after my husband. Victorinos
Deo
is named after
Gracias.
my husband's father. La Virginia is named after my husband's mother.
This is Tito Divi's book.
Yeah,
nice.
Naimas.
Oo.
Yan naman is
Kanya- ginawa
Ilocano
niya to?
cuisine.
Yeah, with Chef Henny
Yeah,
season.
he did that.
So nice.
Is he
Yeah.
Filipino? He's not Filipino.
He's Filipino, but they're of Italian descent. We have our little lachenda where you can buy Spanish ingredients if you want to cook. May mga paellera dyan if you want. Sometimes, di ba, it's hard to look for ingredients if you want to cook Spanish food. So we have everything here. And then, and our food is really authentic because he's really from Spain. He's from Catalan. So
Ay, wow. I
talagang
love
delicious
that. Oo.
Spanish cooking. Sabi ko nga, kumain ka eh.
Okay.
Para you can taste our food.
Ito kunin mo itong, ano ba, this is nice. The two cocktails. Happy Mother's Day to both of you.
Happy Mother's Day
Happy
to you
Mother's
too.
Day.
Thank you, Dina and Danica. Pareho kayong ina. Pareho kayong anak. Dina, were you ready to be a mother?
At that time, no. Kasi when I had Danica, I was only 19. So I told my mom, how's this, ganyan-ganyan. I didn't even know. So my mom said, have the baby and then leave it for adoption. Pero I didn't imagine anything like that kasi sabi ko, I'm from a broken family, my mom's away, and it's so hard to be living a life like this na your classmates, the parents are there to put the medal on them. Every time you have and I had medals, parang ang naglalagay palagi, madre. Parang ayoko maging ganyan yung anak ko. So I said, no, I'm gonna keep this baby and I'm not going to give it for adoption.
Ano yung una mong pakiramdam? Do you remember? Nung
When?
nakita mo si Danica.
I cried. Kasi parang ang sarap ng feeling. Kasi normal ako eh. Actually, nanganak ako, birthday ng mom ko. My mom visited from Switzerland. Nasa party kami ni Helen Gamboa. Tapos biglang, psh, may gumanon. Sabi ko, ano yun? Sabi ko, parang I couldn't control my wiwi. Nawiwi yata ako. Tapos sabi ng mami ko, oh my gosh, no, it's your water bag. It broke. Ganyan. Tapos ito naman, si Mami Soto, mami ni Vic, ay naku, pumunta na tayo sa ganyan. Tagalog na Tagalog. Mami ka naman, oh my gosh, let's call a doctor. Nakakatawa silang dalawa kasi itong isa sa English, itong isa Tagalog. Tapos pareho silang nag-a-attend sa akin. Pagdating sa hospital, hindi mailabas dahil wala yung doktor. Nakasilip na yung ulo kasi nga lakad kami ng lakad ni Vic every day. Then paglabas niya, conehead siyang haba ng ulo niya. Pero now, di ba, tinan mo, ang pretty.
Pretty,
And she was so red. Pero sobrang ko na, I would turn on the aircon 24 hours a day. Ayoko siyang mahanginan or what. Overprotective ako. And parang I was, at that time, parang I'm so ready to be a mom. And I was so young.
Nung nakita mo na.
Yeah. And talagang hands-on mama ko sa kanya, breastfed and all, super duper. Then as she was growing up, syempre parang, cute naman ito, parang manyika, parang ang aga kasi ni Danicang nagsalita. Parang as a kid, matalino talaga siya. And dami niyang alam na vocabulary because I would read to her every day. Talagang mabiba. Kaya
So you loved being a mom?
Yes. Kaya stay-home mama ko hanggang sa how many years, di ba? I was not active.
You
I was
sacrificed
just-
your career.
Yes. For how many years?
Did you regret that?
Kasi I really wanted to spend time with my kids. I wanted to be a mom kasi that's what I didn't have. My mom, European moms, they're not so doting. They're more like, okay, you're an adult, take care of yourself. I wanted to be the mom who would cook for my kids, take care of them, dress them up for school, help them with their assignments and all. Like really be the mom I hope my mom would have been.
Yeah. Danica, mahirap ba maging anak ni Vic Soto at ni Tina Bonavie?
Alam mo, I always get asked that question. Siguro mahirap in a sense na growing up, you would always be compared to your parents. Kailangan kasing ganda, kasing sikat, kasing talented. Dapat kapareho ka nila. Eh, syempre may iba ka naman na personality din. I remember growing up, they would say, ay, hindi siya kasing kaganda nung mom. Parang, ay, ganon. Pero, to be honest, I never felt bad or insecure kasi naisip ko, proud ako na maganda yung mom ko. Tapos I remember even nung teenager, yung mga friends ko na guys, crush siya.
Yeah.
Yung sa high school. And I would feel so proud na parang, oy, mommy ko yan.
But they're both icons eh.
Yes,
That's
yes.
a whole other pressure.
Yung pressure, parang feeling mo, you have to fill in really big shoes. But more of, nai-inspire ako sa kanila eh. I don't see it as something na dapat mahirap. They inspire me to be better. Parang to, diba?
To make your own mark.
Yeah.
Growing up, how strict was mommy?
Growing up, hindi pa naman eh. I mean, nung medyo younger. Tapos, nung paglaki, being a teenager, yung napabarkada, yung gusto mong mag-explore, gusto mong makawala. Yung kunwari, mayroon kaming dance practice, pero yun pala pupunta sa bahay ng friend.
Yes, na nahuli.
Hindi ko rin alam bakit hindi ko na lang sabihin. You know, parang, whenever I look back, parang, why didn't I just tell her that I wanted to go to the mall? Why was I so scared na hindi ako papayagan? Kasi, parang I remember, lagi kami may kasama na chaperone or si Tito Dante, mom secretary at that time. Medyo nakabantay. So, hindi kami pwedeng basta-basta mag-mall. So, tumatakas na lang ako.
Unang-una, bawal kasi sa Poveda to roam around with your uniform.
Oo. Anong ginawa mo at napaluhod ka sa munggo?
Hindi ko na alam.
Hindi, nagsinungaling siya.
Oy and I had a fight.
Yeah.
Or sinagot-sagot kita.
Na para bang,
Mga talk
yeah,
back.
just mind your own business. I'm gonna tell Lola. Lola's girl.
Oo.
Kaya ako naiinis kasi yung lola niya.
Alam ko na.
Hindi
Yung,
disciplinarian, disciplinarian ako.
pero I said
At that
something
time, Vic
yata
would always say
ano,
na, wag mong paluin yung bata. If you're going to spank the kid, you have to explain kung bakit, ganyan. So sabi ko kay Vic, kailangan magkasundo tayo because if your discipline is different from my brand of discipline, the kids are gonna go haywire and they're going to grow up like terrible people. Di finally sabi niya, sige, sundin natin yung discipline mo. Sabi ko, just stick to my discipline because I grew up well. Kahit nahiwalay yung parents ko, hindi ako naging addict and all. O di walang magawa sila. Eh nagsinungaling, tapos sinagot-sagot ako, wah! Huwag ka nga makialam, ganyan. Ganon ha.
Oh,
Linagyan ko muna ng tabasco yung bibig niya.
Oh my God.
Swallow this. Tapos iyak nang iyak si Oyo, Mami, wawa naman ate. Can you please give her sugar? Ate's crying and crying. Because she's bad. Ganyan, pinakain ko naman ng asukal kasi naawa ako. After sabi ko, that's for you to never answer me back again. Meron pa nung bata pa siya kasi her lola gave her the wrong notion na super yaman siya.
Oh.
So, I would say, Danica, can you study now and do your assignment? Eh si Oyo naman baliktad. Pagdating sa bahay, Mommy, I want my merienda. Tapos, Mommy, can I do my assignment now? Okay. Mommy, I want to take a bath na. Okay. I'm going to sleep na. Yung ni Oyo, yung talagang sobrang, parang, and I saw myself in him na sobrang ganyan, talagang organized.
Oh.
And ang linis-linis ng room niya, nakaayos lahat ng toys.
So si Danica, si
Ito,
Vic,
hindi. Masinop si Vic sa gamit. Masinop si Vic. Ito, ewan ko kung ano yung nagmana. Mukhang basura yung kwarto. Parang, Danica, ano ba? And your hair, hindi ka nagsishampoo. Bakit amoy mais yung ulo mo? Sabi ko, you didn't even take a bath. Tapos sabihin ni Oyo,
bata ka, nagbabatintero ka sa labas. Diba?
She's still wearing her uniform as of yesterday. Yung pala nakatulog, nakaganyan, naka-Poveda uniform na hindi pa naliligo. Galit na galit ako. So, and then sagutin niya ako na, why do I have to go to school? Lola said, we're rich. We have so many houses and so many cars. I don't have to go to school. And I want a credit card. My classmates have credit cards. No, you're not going to get a credit card. But why? My classmates have credit cards. I want a phone. maldita, parang nagalit siya kay Oyo, tapos ginulo-gulo niya yung thing. Sabi niya, Mommy, Danica destroyed all... Si Oyo, ayaw niyang ginugulo yung room niya. Malinis na malinis siya. Sabi ko, ikaw, Danica, palibasa your room is a pigsty.
Sobrang naman sa pigs.
Bakit mo ginulo yung kwarto ni Oyo? Sumagot-sagot siya.
Oh.
Okay, load ka sumunggo.
But di mo ba naisip that in a way, Danica is like you? Not in terms of the rude behavior, but being alpha female.
Yeah. I only realized that lately na parang alpha female pala ito si Danica, parang ako.
Bakit ka ganun ina?
I felt that it was necessary kasi during our time, we were so overprotected. Wala kaming alam about sex. We were not allowed to attend the sex education class. We were so
You were
innocent.
innocent.
And then nakita ko yung mga tao sa show business na, people are just having sex freely, ganyan-ganyan. Parang walang value. Sabi ko, my God, baka yung anak ko masangkot sa ganito. So I was really worried.
Takot kang mabuntis
Yes.
si Danica.
And natakot ako, yung pagka-bullheaded niya na, why? Mga ganun-ganun siya sa akin. Sabi ko, hindi siya natatakot sa akin. Sa daddy niya, takot siya. I think she was confused kasi bakit si daddy mabait, si Lola, she spoils me. Pero si mommy, parang Gestapo, Hitler. Tawag niya sa akin nun, Hitler, ikaw ang kontrabida ng buhay ko, ikaw ang kontrapela ko, ginaganyan niya ako lagi. Sabi ko, one day you'll appreciate me for being the villain in your life. Sabi ko, even in the Bible, sabi ko, the shepherd shepherds his sheep, di ba? Pinapastol niya yung mga tupa niya. He doesn't allow the sheep to just jump over the fence. Sabi ko, I'm your shepherd while we're here. And if Jesus was the shepherd, then I am your shepherd, whether you like it or
Memorize
not.
ko yung line niya. Danica, Ana, one day you will thank me. One
Yeah.
day. May mga ganyan.
Dati kasi ganito lang.
Did that day come?
Oh,
Did
yeah.
that day come? O tell me.
Kasi I had I had a hard time breastfeeding. Tapos parang iniisip ko, during my time, may mga mommy seminars, there are so many gadgets already para matulungan ka. Tapos, she was 19, anong help na meron siya at that time? My husband also was beside me, so parang iniisip ko, ako nahihirapan ako. Pero paano pa kaya yung ganung kabata? Tapos, parang naging you and me against the world kasi muna sila ni dad, 'di ba? So, I was just thinking of her stress and everything else.
I was there for her all along.
So, I remember we were at home, tapos sabi ko sa kanya, Mommy, thank you. Wah!
Yun na.
Hindi, sabi ko, thank you. Sabi ko, because now I understand how hard it must have been for you. Like, raising us and you were also growing up at the same time. Kasi parang barkada lang kami growing up eh. Yes, she would be the kontrabida, pero may times naman na friends kami. Parang sabi nga, my worst critic, but she's also my number one fan. I think, so yung mga boomer, hindi lang nila siguro alam i-express yung love nila. Medyo minsan masakit kasi magsalita. That's why siguro I felt that she was strict. Maybe she just didn't know how to verbalize her love for me. Pero it was all coming from a place of, mahal kita. Ayoko may mangyari sa'yo. Ayokong pagdaanan mo yung mga napagdaanan ko. Kaya lang, syempre, pag bata ka, hindi mo naiintindihan eh. When I became an adult, naisip ko na rin na, buti na lang din. Parang she disciplined us. Kasi kundi, baka tuloy-tuloy na lang na naging brat ako. Or hindi ako siguro ganito na kaya ko makisama sa kahit sinong tao. Parang gano'n. Tapos her being strict, naintindihan ko na, maybe she was just scared na baka mapariwara ako or meron akong gawin na something stupid na pagsisihan ko. But I also feel that it's also part of growing up eh. Minsan, may mga gagawin ka kasi you want to find yourself. Di mo maintindihan yung hormones ng bata, di ba? Yung ganyan.
Hormones agad?
Hormones yun!
Bata ka palang hormones agad yung point.
Oo, tsaka syempre, ang dami mong issues pag bata ka. And nag-re-resurface lang yan pag medyo yung nagti-teenager ka na or pa-adult ka na, di ba?
si Oyo is married to Christine and Danica is married to Mark, nagkaroon ka ba ng say sa sino ang papakasalan ng mga anak mo? Yung totoo.
No.
At all.
Hindi ako nakikialam. I just tell them that, look, if you're going to find a partner in life, you should, number one, find a partner who fears God, who has God in the center of his or her life. Number two, for a guy, the guy should be able to support you. Hindi yung ikaw pa magpapakain. Because kung ganun din lang, huwag ka na mag-asawa, I can feed you. Number three, get somebody kung lalaki, yung hindi babaero, syempre. I mean, if he fears God, hindi siya mambababae. Somebody who really loves you and will cherish you. Dapat mas mahal ka niya kaysa mahal mo siya. Kay Oyo, simple lang. Get somebody like mama.
Wow!
Joke! Hindi! Sabi ko lang, unang-una, Oyo, please, kumuha ka ng babaeng neat sa sarili niya mabango. Because if she's neat, she loves God.
Oh, neat na neat naman si
She will
Tin,
be
so-
malinis din sa
Na-exceed
bahay.
yung expectations tuloy.
So, nung pinili ni Oyo si Tin,
Christine.
sabi ko sa kanya, bakit siya? Nakakahiya naman eh. Ganda-ganda ng nanay ko. Siyempre, dapat kumuha ko ng, kung hindi mas maganda, kasing ganda ng nanay.
Wow! Sinabi ba niya yan?
Oo! Sabi ko sa kanya, sandali lang, Oyo, marunong ba yan magluto? Kailangan marunong
Hindi,
magluto.
more than Tin's beauty, mabait naman, tsaka
Mabait.
maalaga
Pero
si
si
Tin.
Tin, hindi lang siya
Oo.
maganda, she's beautiful inside out.
Si Mark ba kinailangang dumaan sa butas ng karayo?
Sa daddy niya, oo. Sa akin
Kasi
naman, hindi.
basketball
Parang more
player.
sa'yo.
Anong more sa
More
akin?
sa kanya, di ba, Ate Ange? More.
hindi,
O, di ba, nung pamamanhikan?
Anong pamamanhikan?
Sabi mo, oh, okay, you're playing basketball now. O, pag na-injure ka, anong mangyari? Paano kayo mabubuhay? Ganito, ganito.
Sinabi
ganito
ko
yan.
ba yun?
Oo.
Pwedeng
Sabi niya,
sinabi.
yan lang, ganito, ganyan, ganyan, bla, bla.
Ako ba talaga yun? Baka si daddy yun?
Hindi, white nga si Daddy.
Kasi in an article na nabasa ko, sinabi ni Mark, mas takot siya sa'yo kesa kay Vic.
Yeah. Tapos,
Masyado siya nagpapanood ng mga pelikula
tapos
ko.
ginanon mo si Dad. Ginanon niya si Daddy. Oh, Papa, you talk naman. Di ka nagsasalita. Si Daddy kasi man of a few words. Pero pag nagbitaw siya ng salita, medyo malalim. Sabi niya, alam mo kasi, pinapangunahan na natin yung mga bata. Kung magka-problema sila, hayaan natin kasi dyan sila matututo. Parang hindi yung wala pa nga problema, lalagyan mo na. Parang pangungunahan mo
Hindi
na.
naman sa linalagyan ng problema.
Hindi nalagyan.
Kumbaga,
Mali
it's
yung word.
hypothetically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero
You
syempre,
have to be
naiintindihan
ready.
ko, syempre, kasal yan eh. Hindi naman ordinary na ano lang yan, boyfriend, girlfriend.
Nung nanganak si Danica, paano na nagbago ang relasyon niyo? I read that you consider your mom your best friend.
Kasi nga, growing up, ano kami, frenemies. Minsan, inis ako sa kanya, ganyan. Minsan hanggang ngayon naman eh, nakakainis. Minsan na,
She loves to make me the butt of
iniinis
jokes.
namin siya ni Oyo until now. Nung naging mommy na ako, mas na-appreciate ko siya. Okay, sabi ko, ano lang pala si mommy, parang medyo maingay, talak, ganyan, but it's just because mahal niya ako. Mas napapansin ko pa, like right now, I have a twin, I have a teen, and then I have a toddler. Minsan pag may mga sinasabi sa akin yung mga anak ko na, oh, you're not fun, you're ganyan. Sabi, parang ito na yung mga linya ko kay mom. Ito na yon. Pero alam ko naman one day they'll also understand why na hindi sila pwedeng ma-spoil.
But what kind of lola is she?
Okay naman siya. Hindi siya spoiler. Pero she's
Ano
also
ba to?
very...
Scary lola, loving lola, flirty lola,
Both.
happy lola. Anong
Loving and... Pero she'll also tell my kids kung may hindi tamang ginagawa.
Hindi, nung una, akong ginagawa niyang panakot sa kids. Ayan, Mama D, Mama, Mama D's there na. So, natatakot sa akin yung mga apo, ayan na, Mama D's gonna get mad. Pero no, ako, I don't make pakialam pag nandyan siya. Pero pag sobra na, I'll talk to her, Danica, I think you should talk to Kayla about this. I think you should talk to Mick about this. Pero pag hindi niya pa rin ginagawa, Mick, come here. I wanna tell you something.
Yeah.
Yung ganyan.
Danica, how difficult was it when your parents were about to separate?
I didn't really feel it
Hindi mo
Kasi
parang bata
I
niya
was
eh.
too young. I was 6 years old.
6 ka ba nun or 4?
6.
Six.
Mas na-feel ko
Tama, 6.
nung yun na yun. Yung pa-teenager na.
Pa-teenager.
Kasi you would see, kunwari, your classmates na normal setting yung bahay, sabay-sabay kumakain. Tapos ikaw parang weird sila. Bakit sila sabay-sabay kumakain? Hindi ako sanay na ganun yung dapat set up ng pamilya because I didn't have that. Ang feeling ko lang, nung bata, ay marami kaming bahay. Parang may kay daddy, and to be fair to both my parents, to my dad and mom, pinunuan naman nila. Yung talagang nadyan sila for us, yung love, support, care. So, daddy never said anything bad about mom and ganun din yung mom ko. Nag-co-parent ng maayos. So, that helped. Pero syempre, yung pag tumatagal na, minsan, yung tumanda ka na dun, minsan na parang how I wish we were, parang in the same house lang, parang hindi dalawa-dalawa tatawagan mo, ganyan-ganyan. But, during naman major events, both present naman sila, mga graduation.
But be honest with me, did you ever wish, honestly, that your parents would get back together?
Yes, at
Always.
some point, yeah. I did.
Actually, there was, before kasi every Sunday was our day, family day. Talagang important yon. Hindi nila pwedeng i-break yon. So every Sunday, mommy would cook, Danica would help mommy cook, and Oyo would also help. Then she would always say, sayang mommy, bakit we're not complete? We're only 3. Sabi ko, you don't need to have 4 to have a family. Even if it's just the 3 of us, we are still a family. We're still a family even if, pero you know, every time she would say that, it would really break my heart.
Of course.
Sobrang sakit if you're hearing it from your daughter na, kung pwede ko lang ibahin na hindi gano'n. Kasi ang sakit every time she'd tell me, I want mommy, you and daddy together, we're having, pero hindi ko magawa. So she would always wish na, sana mommy and daddy were together. Tapos every time may manliligaw, ayaw niya. Kasi kailangan si daddy lang. So it was very hard for me that time.
How did you co-parent?
I actually did most of the taking care of the kids, their needs. Kasi, syempre mami ka, di ba? But I would tell Vic na, when the kids are with you, spend time with them. So si Vic naman, parang, he would take Oyo to the golf course. So, nung una, Oyo would play golf.
Mga out of town.
Then, out of town niya. Kasi nung hindi pa kami naghihiwalay, every weekend we were out of town with the kids. So, sabi ko, ituloy mo na lang kung ano tayo dati. So, kapag weekends, idadala sila out of town. They would go to Sina Helen, mga cousins, So, naging close siya kay Shara. Kasi yan naman ang halos ka-age niya. Nagagalit ako pag nalalaman ko na weekend. Pag tinanong ko sa yaya na, wala si Sir pumunta sa ganyan. Tapos sisitahin ko siya. The kids were there, why didn't you spend time with them? Why did you leave them with the lola? Why didn't you go out with them? That's your day, ganyan. Pinapagalitan ko siya, sabi ko, do you know, sabi ko, that a daughter identifies with a father? Read that! It's in the book. Ganyan. Sinabi ko sa kanya yun.
Actually, Vic.
Di syempre, eto na naman tong asawa ko na ang daming kung ano-anong nalalaman. Dami mong nalalaman, di na, ganyan siya. Sabi ko, hindi. But it's true. If you read it,
I agree.
the daughter always identifies with the father. Sabi ko, and until your daughter does not feel that she has a father to identify herself with, magwawala yan. She's gonna be lost.
They call it father issues. Totoo
Yes.
yun.
Yeah,
Oo.
Parang
Ayun, ganun naman
at
ang
one point,
nangyari.
Did you
ganun.
have father issues?
Yeah, I
Totoo.
think, oo. May time din na ganun na parang wini-wish mo. Pero never akong nagalit sa kanya. It was more of, you're just parang angry with the situation. Na bakit kasi nangyari?
Alam ko, there
Parang
was a
ganun.
time na Danica got mad at me. Na sabi niya sa akin, Mami, ikaw kasi you're TANGA. Sabi niya,
Hindi,
sabi ko, bakit? Bakit mo sinabi yun? Kasi kasalanan mo, ba't mo pinabayaang maging ganon? Dapat, hindi mo pinayagan si daddy, ganyan. Sabi ko, no, you cannot control one's desires and one's heart. Kung yun ang gusto niya, di, bahala siya. Parang things really changed lang nung lahat na kami naging Christian. That was the binding force na Danica began to see things clearly na sabi niya, Mommy, I have more peace now. I appreciate you. I'm sorry for the times I answered you back. And then I also said, Danica, I'm sorry for the times na I would scold you if you think I don't love you. So,
Nag-sorry kayo to
Yes.
each other.
At saka, I think doon
Nag-sorry
din
ako sa
galing yung
kanya.
labas ka ng labas. Kasi parang you're trying to fill a void eh. Yung gusto mong gumimik.
Oh.
Alam mo yun, yung...
Kasi when a child doesn't
Oo,
find the
eh.
love in the home, they try to find it outside.
Oo,
So,
parang ganun.
inupo ko sila na I'm so sorry. You know, children turn out to be what their parents are. So, children become how they were parented. But you see, parents are not perfect. Tandang-tanda ko yung dialogue ko sa kanila. I'm not a perfect person, and you're not perfect too. So, I parent you the best way I know how.
Why didn't you have children after Danica and Oyo?
I didn't want to have kids by a different man. The mere fact that at that time, the kids were going to his house, my house, and then they would see the other woman. Parang naku-confuse na sila eh. There was a time Oyo thought na uncle niya, daddy niya eh. Sabi ko, it gets complicated. And I didn't want, kasi I didn't want my kids to follow those footsteps. Sabi ko, it's bad enough na hiwalay yung parents ko. And every day I pray, Lord, ayoko mahiwalay yung mga anak ko. Always be in the center of their relationship. And I always tell them, there should be no other third party in your relationship, in your marriage, except Jesus.
When
Si
did
God
you
lang
become
talaga.
a Christian in this way, Dina? I mean, of course, we all are, but your relationship with the Lord has deepened.
Parang siguro I had a long search. I studied all. I read the Quran, I studied Buddhism, Taoism, I studied Hinduism, I studied New Age. Lahat, and the kids would tell me, Mommy, bago na naman yung religion mo, because I was finding answers. And I was saying, God, I've been a good girl. I've done everything, you know, I excelled in school, I did everything, I was a good daughter, I was obedient. Bata pa lang ako, namamalengke, nagluluto, lahat inaral ko kung anong dapat maging ang isang babae. How come ito pa rin yung nangyari sa life ko? Are you really there? Where are you if you're really there? Show me. So, and then what is my purpose on earth? Why did I become an actress even if my dad doesn't want me to be in showbiz? Why? No matter how much I run away from show business, it keeps getting me back. Why? One day, I came around, you know, sa church ng cousin ko na parang word for the world. Until, I don't know, something was prodding me na forgive that other person. Forgive that other person. Parang let go. Parang, ay, hindi. Bakit ako magpa-forgive? Wala akong ginagawa. Kapal nila. Ganyan. Until I decided, you know, I'm not getting anywhere. I'm full of bitterness. And ayoko na maging bitter. So I just forgave. Okay, forget it na, ganyan. And I don't know how God made it happen, but I ended up being in her church. And then, she was the one who told me na, you know, why don't you try this church? Siyempre, sa akin, punta sa church mo. Talaga lang. For a while, we were going there na nandun din sila. Siyempre, masakit yun na nandun sila sa harap, kami nasa likod, pareho tayong church. Parang nakakailang, parang ba't ako nandito sa church na to? Dapat iba. Kasi ayoko nagkikita kami sa church. And nasasaktan din yung mga bata pag nakikita. But, you know, God works in wondrous ways.
Yeah.
Maybe it was His way of healing me, mending broken relationships. And I guess that, you know, that was also the key why we were able to co-parent healthily. Parang, I don't know, parang everything just fell into place. And then Danica, all of a sudden, sabi niya, Mommy, I just want peace. Ayoko na, you know, how can you be so peaceful when ang dami mong problema? Until one day, I was in church and she just came into the church. Parang, nagulat ako, what are you doing here? Ayun lang. Tapos doon ako parang na-feel ko na mag-sorry ka din sa daughter mo sa mga times na nagagalit ka. Oo, you care for her, but maybe you could have said it in kinder ways or in more loving ways. And then, God just fixed everything. And then, slowly, si Oyo followed his ate.
How would you describe a mother's love?
A mother's love is unending. I mean, some people say, mag-aasawa na yung anak ko, so mababawasan na ako ng responsibilidad. No. You never stop being a mom from the time you bring the child to this world until the child goes to heaven or leaves this world. You are and forever will be the mother.
What do you love most about Danica?
Ay, nako, there's a lot of things to love about her. Number one, she's such a hands-on mom. I see a lot of myself in her, and that's not why I love her. I love her because she is she. Parang she is her own person. Kahit kailan hindi siya na-insecure na mami niya si Dina Bonnevie or whatever, kahit ano pang sinasabi ng tao.
Ikaw, what do you love most about your mom?
What I love is yung deep conversations with her. Sobra yung advice niya about life, business, about being yourself, being a woman. Yun yung gusto ko na minsan yung phone ko, ang init na kasi 1.5 hours.
We could
Dalawa.
talk for hours.
Oo.
Sometimes she says things that wakes me up na, oh, parang even at this time, sabi ko, akala ko alam ko na lahat, pero marami pa rin ako natututunan sa anak ko na, I didn't see that.
What is your favorite Bible verse?
My favorite Bible verse is in John 15, yung I am the vine and you are the branches. If you want to produce or bear fruit, you must remain in me. Minsan sa buhay, talagang di natin maintindihan. May mga magugulo, may magaganda. But you just have to remain in Him. And I think siguro kaya din naging ganito yung family namin is in the end, it was God who glued us all together eh. Hindi mo magagawa yun eh, yung humanly. It's not possible to just easily forgive. Kanina gusto ko idagdag, sabi niya, bakit ako pupunta sa church mo? Dahil hindi naman natin pinupuntahan yung tao sa church, yung Diyos. And para sa Diyos, pantay-pantay tayo lahat. Walang pinipili na.
Sinabi niya sa akin yun.
Walang, ikaw si ganyan, mas makasalanan ka, makasalanan tayong lahat. Diba? Kaya nga parang, come as you are. Lahat kayo anak ko. But we have to take the effort na tayo yung kailangan din lumapit. Yeah, we have to remain in Him.
And sa akin naman is, every time I feel low, na parang feeling ko, ba't ganito? I just always remember that God, He said, for I have plans for you, plans to prosper you, and to give you a future. So parang, pag sinabi namang prosper, hindi lang pera eh.
Yeah.
Meaning to prosper you in being more loving, looking your best, honing your craft. Everyone was given God-given talents. And that's for you to hone your craft, to be of service, to use that talent for your service and to serve others. It's not only to prosper yourself, but to prosper others as well. Everything given to you is because it's there for a reason. To whom much is given, much is expected. So when He blesses you a lot, you have to bless more people.